First of all, thanks for being part of this video. Today we are going to see the day 31 daily score booster questions. First we are going to see simplifications. First question. Here in this question we need to know the fraction value of these percentages. Here 9.09 percentage is nothing but 1 by 11. 1 by 11 of 1331 will be, this is 11 cube. So divided by 11 will be 11 square. 11 square will be 121. 7.14 percentage, the fraction value will be 1 by 14 into 196. So this is a 14 square divided by 14, so we left with 14 here, plus 25% is nothing but 1/4 of 240, so it will be 60. So we got totally 1 plus 4 5 5 at the end, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 6 19, 195. So answer will be 195, option C. Next question. Here 5.26 percentage, we must know the fraction value of this one. Here 5.26 percentage is nothing but 1 by 19 into 114. 19 6 times is 114, so we got 6 here, plus here how to multiply these two numbers is, we make 21 as 20 plus 1 into 53. 53 two times will be 1060 plus 53, which will be 311 So answer for this one will be 1113, plus 16 two times will be 32, 16 three times will be 48, and 3 will be 51, 512. Okay, minus 14 15 times will be 210. This is why we need to know 20 into 20 tables. So what we get is 6 plus 1113 means 1119 plus 512 minus 210. So 11 minus 0 will be 11. 3 minus 1 2. 5 6 6 minus 2 will be 4 and 1. So answer will be 1421, option D. Next, third question. In this one we need to know the fraction value of this one. 8.33 percentage, the fraction value is 1 by 12 into 1728. 1728 is nothing but 12 cube. 12 cube means 12 cube divided by 12 will be 12 square. 12 square will be 144. So the value of this one will be 144, plus 66.66 percentage. The fraction value of this one will be 2/3 of 180. So 360 times 260 times will be 120. So value of this one will be 120, plus here 19 5 times will be 95. 92 times is 38. 38. So it will be 475. So this is why we need to know 20 into 20 tables. So we got 475 here. Here 27 into 33. How I calculate is 27 into 3 into 11. 27 3 times will be 81. 81 into 11 will be 8 and 1. Sum of these two numbers 891. So the value of this one will be 891. So totally we have 144 plus 120 plus 475 plus 891. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 1 10. So unit digit is 0. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 9 3 23, 3 4 8, 8 plus 8 16, 1630. So answer will be 1630, option A. Next, fourth one. Here we need to know the 17 table. 17 3 times is 51, 17 2 times 34, 39 391, plus 25 5 times will be 125, 25 3 times is 75. We get 875, minus here it looks like 40 plus 1 into 40 minus 1. So it looks like a plus b into a minus b. The answer for the formula for this one will be a square minus b square. So 40 square, which is 1600, minus 1, we get 1599. So value for this one will be 1599. So here we take 1599 as minus, plus this is 43 plus 43 into 37. It looks like 40 plus 3 into 40 minus 3. Same a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square formula. Okay. A square, 40 square will be 1600. 1600 minus 3 square will be 9. We get 1591. So totally this is positive. So 1591. So we need to calculate these. Here we have 7 minus 9. So 17 minus 9, which will be 8 at the unit digit. 7, this is 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 9, 24. 24 minus 9, 15. So this will be 5 and 5 removed. So we left with 8 plus 4 will be 12. And 1 and 1 cancelled and left with 1. So 1258 is our answer, option B. Okay, next question. Here we need to know the tables of 20 into 20. 13 4 times will be 52. 13 2 times 26 and 1 312 plus 16 7 times will be 112. 16 2 times will be 32. So we have 432. 15 4 times is 60. 15 2 times is 30, 36. Okay, next. Here it is looks like 90 plus 5 into 90 minus 5. So same a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. 90 square will be 8100 and 5 square is minus 25. So we have 8075 is the value for this one. So we have 8075 here. Totally we have 9 at the unit digit, and these are 10 and 7. This will be 6 plus 4, 0 and 9. 9079 is our answer. Wait a second, this is 11. Okay, this is 9179. Option D is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. First one, 4 into 25 will be 100. 100 means 25 times. Plus and minus means minus and plus are the roots. Here 119. 119 means 17. 7 times will be 119. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Here to make the base equal, we multiply this with 4. 7 4 times 28. 4 17 times will be 68. So now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Next, here it is 72 means 1, here 9 8 times. Minus and plus means plus and minus. Here it is 187. Here we see 17 11 times. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Bases are equal. So by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Next one, here 4 x square equals to 4 4 times and 4 8 times and 4 4 times. So x value will be plus 22 or minus 22. Here y cube value is 2744, which is y value will be 14. So by comparing these two, it is clear that x becomes greater than y and x lesser than y. So there is no relation between these two equations. Okay, next. Here 6 into 20, which will be 120. 120 means we need to get 23 means 15. 8 times will be 123 and we got to 23. Minus and plus means plus and plus are the roots. Okay, here root 3. So 48 divided by 3 will be 16. So we need to get 16. For 4 times will be 16 and we place root 3 here. Minus and plus, so the roots are in positive. Here to make the base equal, we multiply this with the 6. So we got 24 root 3, 24 root 3. So it is very clear that the x is lesser than y. Okay. Next, fifth question. Here x cube value is 6859. So x value will be 19. Okay. Here y square value is 369. So y value will be plus 19 or minus 19. So by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Now we are going to solve wrong number series. Here it seems like 3 times. 3 times will be 9, 3 6 times is 18, 3 5 times 15, 16, 16 89 minus 2. Okay. Here it looks like into 2 times. 6 16 5 566 minus 3. It looks like into 3 minus 2 into 2 minus 3. So it must be into 3 minus 2. 95 3 times. 3 5 times 15, 9 3 times 27, 28 minus 2. So we got this one. So it must be into 2 minus 3. 52 times 100, 100 minus 3 will be 94. So this is our wrong number. Here it must be into 3 minus 2. 17 3 times will be 51. 51 minus 2 will be 49, not 50. So wrong number is 50. Second one. Here we see the numbers are increasing, decreasing, increasing and decreasing order. So we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is plus 25. Here the difference is minus 37. Here the difference is 16 and 32, which will be 48 plus 48. Here the difference is minus 26 and 32, which will be 60. Here the difference is 26, 28 and 144. 28 and 144, which will be 72. So plus 72. I can see these are in 12 table. 12 4 times, 12 5 times, 12 6 times. So this is 12 3 times 36, 12 4 times, 12 2 times will be 24. So wrong number will be this one. Next, here the numbers are in decreasing order. So let's see this one. Here it is into 5 times. This is into 6 times. 180 7 times. 7 8 times will be 656 and 1260. So it must be into 8 times. If we multiply 1260 with 8, then the unit digit must not be 1. So wrong number will be this one. It must be 10080. So into 9. 9 8 times will be 72. So this is the right one and this is our wrong number. Next one. Here the differences are very little, so we'll go with the differences here. Here the difference is 17. Here the difference is 34. Okay. Here the difference is 4 6 64. Here the difference is 0 4 1 140. Here the difference is 2 7 2. I know these numbers are 17 factors. 17 1 times. This is 17 2 times. This is 17 16 times. So this must be 17. 1 becomes 2. It must be into 4 times. 17 8 times. 17 6 times. 16 times. So 17 4 times is 68, not 64. 17 8 times is 136, not 140. So wrong number will be this one, 210. Okay, next question. Here it is clear that it is into 7. 7 4 times is 28, 7 14 28 minus 7. So here it is into nearly 6 times. 6 5 times is 30, 6 3 times 18 and 3 2 1 0 minus 6. So it must be into 5 minus 5. 9 5 times is 45. 45 minus 5 will be 40. So there is a problem here. It must be into 4 minus 4. The 4 times is 12. 12 minus 4 will be 8. So wrong number is 9. This is into 3 minus 3. 2 3 times is 6. 6 minus 3 will be 3. So our wrong number will be 9. Next question. Next we are going to see missing number series. Here there is no big differences. So we'll go with the differences here. So here the difference is 50. Here the difference is 101. Here the difference is 2 2 1 122. So these numbers are familiar to me as 11 square plus 1, 10 square plus 1. This is 7 square plus 1. So the difference here must be 8 square plus 1. Here must be 9 square plus 1. 82. This is 65. 64 plus 65 will be 129. So answer will be option A, 129. Next, second question. Uh, here it is into 1 times. It is into 2 times. This becomes 3 times. So it must be into 4 times and it is must be into 5 times. 64 into 5 times will be half of this one into 0. 320. So answer will be 320, option C. Next one. Here we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 2 and 6, 62. Here we go with the differences of these two. We get 3, 2 and 1. Here the difference between these two is 0, 1 and 5. So I know these numbers are as this is 4 cube minus 4 cube will be 64 minus 2. This is 5 cube minus 2, 125 minus 2. This is 8 cube minus 2. So it must be 7 cube minus 2, 6 cube minus 2. 216 minus 2, 214. 7 cube 343 minus 2, 341. So 670 plus 341 will be 1011. Answer will be option D, 1011. Next question. Here it is clear that there is very small differences between these two. So we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 6. Here the difference is 8 becomes 0 4. So 80 becomes 4 means 24. Here the difference between these two is 40 plus 80, which will be 120. Here the difference is 720. So it is clear that it is into 4 times, into 5 times, into 6 times. So the number here must be into 3 times. 2 3 times becomes 6. So the difference between these two is 2. So our answer will be 1112. Option A is our answer. Next one, fifth question. Here there is no big differences in the numbers, so we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 77. Here the difference is 21. Here the difference is 5 and 3, 35. I know these numbers are 7 factors. 7 3 times, 7 5 times, this is 7 11 times. So it must be 7 7 times and this must be 7 9 times. 7 7 times is 49, 7 9 times is 63. So we get 2670 plus 49 will be 917 2179 plus 63 will be 2782. So our answer will be 2719. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to solve inequalities. First we are going to understand what is the concept I am going to use here is the flow method. If I see a symbol like this, I always speak the flow from this side to this side. If I see a symbol like this, then I say the flow from this side to this side. Let's see with the questions. First question, first conclusion. The flow from Z to A. From Z we can reach to L and S. From S we can reach to up to P but not to A. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from J to P. From J we can reach to S. From S we can reach to P. So second conclusion is true. Next, second question, the flow from P to T and everywhere equal to also. From P we can reach to W and U with equal to. From U we can reach to T with equal to. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from K to A. From K we can reach to U. From U we can reach to T. From T we can reach to C. From C we can reach to A. So second conclusion is also true. Okay. Next, third question, the flow from O to S. Here from O we can reach to C, T, B. Okay. O to C, C to T. From T we can reach to S. So first conclusion is true. Second conclusion, the flow from U to B. From U we can reach to M and S only but not to B. So second conclusion will be false. Fourth question, the flow from U to H. Here from U we can reach to P but none of the other is possible. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from H to U with everywhere equals to. From H we can reach to V. From V we cannot able to reach to U. So this conclusion is also false. Here both are false and we have same alphabets. In between these alphabets there is three symbols: U greater, U lesser, U equal to. So it is either 1 or 2 is the answer for this one. Next, fifth question. Here first conclusion, the flow from B to A. From B we can reach to P and J but cannot able to reach to A. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from T to L with everywhere equal to. From T we can reach to K. From K we can reach to N, but from N we cannot able to reach to L. So second conclusion is false. So here answer will be neither one nor two. Now we are going to learn syllogisms. First question, only a few quota is Jaipur. Some Jaipur is Udaipur. No Udaipur is Jodhpur. This is Jodhpur. Okay. Let's see conclusions. All Jaipur is quota. It is direct conclusion. We need to check the direct meaning in our basic Venn diagram. All Jaipur is inside quota. No, it is not like that. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some Jaipur is Jodhpur. It is also direct conclusion. We need to check the direct meaning of this one in our basic Venn diagram. This is Jaipur and this is Jodhpur. There is no direct relation between these two. So this conclusion will be false. Next, second question. Only a few city is state. No country is a state. Some country is continent. Let's see conclusions. All state is continent is possibility. All state can be placed inside continent as it is possible. So first conclusion is true. Second conclusion, some city is country. It is direct conclusion. Relation between city and country. This is city and this is country. There is no direct relation between these two. So second conclusion is false. Let's see third question. Only a few pond is river. Only a few river is ocean. Only pond is lake. So lake is inside pond and doesn't share with anything except lake. Except pond. Okay. Now let's see the conclusions. All ocean can be lake. Ocean and lake. Lake doesn't share with anything except a pond. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion. All river is a pond is a possibility. All river can be placed inside a pond. Yes, we can place and we can draw a possible diagram. So it is true. Next, we are going to see question number 4. Only ball is bat. So bat is inside ball and bat doesn't share with anything except ball. No ball is hockey. Some hockey is a racket. Let's see conclusions. Some racket is ball. This is racket and this is ball. And it is direct conclusion, and there is no direct relation between these two in our basic Venn diagram. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion. Some ball is not hockey. Not we see not here. So we check all ball can be hockey. All ball can be placed inside hockey. No, it is not possible. So all case not possible means some not case will be true. Okay, let's see fifth question. Some song is melody. All song is music. All tune is music. All tune is inside music. Okay, this one. Let's see conclusions. Some song is not tune. We see not here. So we check all song is tune. All song can be placed inside tune. Yes, we can draw a possible diagram for all. So all case is possible means some not case will be false. Next, second conclusion. All tune being melody is a possibility. All tune can be placed inside melody. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So it is true. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. Here, wait a second. The puzzle is 10 people are standing in a queue. Okay, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, let's note the rough statements. Ankit stands immediately before Suraj. Immediately before Suraj is, wait a second. Immediately before Suraj is Ankit. Okay, next one. But none of them stands adjacent to Mayank. So Mayank cannot be placed in the above or in the below of this one. These two people. Okay. Next one. Suraj does not stand before Prashant. So does not before Prashant means after Prashant is Suraj. Okay. Next one. At least one person stands before Prashant. Okay. Above Prashant at least one. One or one plus. Okay. Only two people stand between Ankit and Manoj. Ankit, 1, 2, Manoj. Next one. Neeraj stands for people after Bilu. After Bilu, 1, 2, 3. Fourth one is Neeraj. Next one. Neeraj does not stand adjacent to Mayank. So, Neeraj and Mayank does not be adjacent. Mayank stands two people after Prashant. So, after Prashant, two people means one. Second one is nothing but Mayank. Okay. The number of people standing after Suraj. Number of people attending after Suraj is the same as the number of people standing before Karan. Okay, by this we have completed the statements. Now we need to solve the puzzle. Uh, Wait a second, we missed a point here. Only three people stand between Mayank and Avi. So Mayank and Avi who stands after Prashant. So after Prashant is Avi means 1, 2, 3. Fourth one is Avi. Only three people stands between Mayank and Avi. Avi who stands after Prashant. This one. Okay. So from these rough statements we need to find our solution. There are 10 people. 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Uh, Before Prashant, there must be one person or more than one person. So let's take Prashant here, one person. So Prashant after relieving one person, Mayank. 1, 2, 3, Avi. 1, 2, 3. This is place for Avi. So another possibility we have Prakash here, Prashant here, Mayank here, and Avi's place is here. We get one more possibility of Prashant here, Mayank here, and Avi's place is at the end. Okay, so we have completed this part. Next, we are going to see this statement. Below 1, 2, 3, this one will be Neeraj and Neeraj does not be adjacent to Mayank. Let's take below here 1, 2, 3. This is place for Neeraj. Neeraj does not be adjacent to Mayank. So let's take below here 1, 2, 3. This is place for Neeraj. But okay, wait a second. We can take here, or else if we take below here 1, 2, 3. This is place for Neeraj. So we are getting more than two possibilities for Billu and Neeraj here. If we take Billu here, then 1, 2, 3. This is a place for Neeraj. Then the adjacent peoples must be Ankit and Suraj. If we place Ankit and Suraj here, these two people does not be adjacent to Mayank. So we cannot able to place Suraj and Ankit here. So the place for Ankit and Suraj is only here. Ankit and Suraj. Okay. Then Ankit and Manoj, in between there is two people. So this is Ankit. 1, 2. This is place for Manoj. Okay. We have completed this one. This one. Now here we have Suraj here. If we have Suraj here, then we got Karan. So this is the place for Karan. So there is only one person left in the puzzle. The person name is Ritesh. So this is place for Ritesh. This puzzle we got a solution without any disturbances. So this is the solution. We don't need to check the other also. So we got our solution without using other possibilities. So let's see the questions. Who among the following persons stands in a seventh position? Seventh position is Neeraj. Here we don't have option of Neeraj in A, B and E. So C and D may be our answer. The one who stands immediately after Prashant. Immediately after Prashant, no. So our answer will be option D, the one who stands immediately before Avi. So option D is the first one answer. Next, second question. How many people stands between Ritesh and Ankit? Here it is Ritesh. Here it is Ankit. One, two, three. Three people stands between them. So answer will be option B. Next, what is the position of Ankit from the last? Second one. So option B is our answer. Next, fourth question. As many people stand before Billu as after. Here before Billu there are two persons. After Avi. So answer will be Avi. Option E is our answer. Next. Which of the following is not true? Neeraj stands on seventh person. Okay, Neeraj seventh one. Only one person stands between Karan and Billu. This is Karan and Billu. There is only one person. Okay, next statement. Avi stands immediately after Ankit. Immediately after Ankit. No, it is the wrong one. So answer will be option C is our answer. Option C, Avi stands immediately after Ankit is our wrong answer. Wrong statement. So this is our answer. By this, we have completed today's daily score booster topics. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.